Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my drive and talk, walk and talk, drive and talk. I'm not sure what I'm going to talk about, but I wanted to experiment a little bit with this new Gooseneck camera holder I've got on my windshield here and see how it works when you're actually driving, because it shakes around a little bit, but the streets in my neighborhood are quite bumpy. So here, this is a sample of these bumpy neighborhoods, and I'll see if I can get down to maybe a smoother road and see if that improves things. But what can I talk about? I want to give a little bit of shout out to a guy I've been watching lately, and I kind of feel a little bit of a kinship to him because I think he's my age, 62, and I think he devotes his channel to retirement life and taking your Social Security at 62, and he's called Sarasota Tim. He doesn't know. I don't know him. He doesn't know me, but he's such a nice guy, and he does a lot of these videos in his car, and it kind of reminds me of him. And he's talking about Social Security, and kind of due to his influence. Anyways, I don't want to talk too much about that right now, but I love it that he's getting her done on YouTube at this age and getting her done. And he's much more successful than I am. But okay, I got a little bit more of a smoother road, and I should say this is kind of a cement road with all these things, these joints in the road that a lot of tire noise. So I can't say that that's too smooth. But okay, let's see. Let's go over here. I'll maybe go get on the freeway and see how that goes. Alright. Once we get on asphalt, okay, here's a fairly smooth road and asphalt. Anyways, for those of you who are curious, I got it. Got this Gooseneck, kind of a suction cup camera mount for I think $5.99 at TJ Maxx, and I think it's working out pretty good. I don't have the brand name. I don't know what the brand name is. Oh boy, get behind that garbage truck here. Okay, I'll turn here, and okay, shake it a little bit. Hope that doesn't make you too seasick, but I guess it's. Anyways, I had a selfie stick that I would use on my walk and talks, and I snapped it too. It was a cheap one that I got from 5 and Below, and I tried to glue it together, and I probably didn't let it dry hard enough. I had this fuse. Oh, I knew her. She's stopping, walking her dog. Anyways, selfie stick, I'm kind of just jabbering on, but let's see how you enjoy this. Early on, I had a couple of years back, I had my tripod in my car, and that was way too bulky and kind of hard to maneuver. I had some music playing in the background, and the music somehow triggered YouTube for copyright laws or something, pulled my videos or something like that. So, anyways, this is fun. This is fun. Okay. Now this is asphalt again. This I think some new asphalt. The roadwork area, it feels not completely smooth yet. It's like it's still a roadwork area, and so maybe they haven't smoothed it out or painted the lines. But here we go, and it's 5 minutes. Anyways, I think that's a long enough sample to get an idea of how this gooseneck thing works. I like the way this really grips my my camera, and it has a support from underneath, and you can kind of get that to steer clear of your speakers, microphone and speakers. And I don't know about the driving part. Let's see how that looks on the camera. I mean, when we it may be too bumpy for her. It's got to be smoother than my walkie-talkies and holding that selfie stick, or when I don't have the selfie stick, doing the handheld thing. But all right, well, we'll leave it at that, and I hope this is useful for someone. Thank you very much. Bye bye.